Hello, Pokemon nerds! So, today I did something. I went to Walmart and got some Pokemon Sword and Shield packs. Well, I got BAM and BAM. So, we're going to be opening these. I'm going to show you every pack as I open them. They're all still sealed. Hopefully get some good pulls. What we're going to be looking for today is that golden Zacian V card. I'll put a picture up so you guys can know what we're looking for. Hopefully pull it, but yeah, let's dig into these and see what we get. Oh, and I almost forgot. Let's go for 10 thumbs up, 10 likes, and 3 dislikes, thumbs downs, because it's not a good video unless some people hate it. All right, so let's go over what we got here. So the little box came with these 3 packs, plus a coin, and then a holographic Morpeko card, which looks pretty nice. All right, and then the Elite Trainer box came with all these packs. And then some, I'm not really 100% sure what these are. They look like maybe the sticker things that you can stick on something. Some dice, and then a big old pack of energies. And then these things, which again, no idea what they really are. All right. Oh, and it also came with these sleeves, which I might be using today if we get some good pulls. Kind of cool. Sleeves got design on them. All right. Remember, we're looking for that golden Zacian V card, but there's other great cards we can get. Let's start off with the 3 packs here. Oh, wrong way. Barcode. And I think the card trick is 4 cards from the back. Fighting Energy, Loomberry, Aurora Energy, Double, Snom, Mawile, Gossiflower, Goldeen, Diglett. Reverse Hollow Rhyhorn. That's kind of cool. And then this is the rare card. Look at that. A non-holographic Ninetales. That is a pretty cool card. Too bad it's not a holo, but we'll take it. Barcode. All right. Grass Energy, Quillfish, Pokekid, Energy Search, Skorupi, Hoot, Scorbunny, Pikachu, how do you do? Sinistea, Stunfisk, and Mudscale. This one's a little bit difficult to open. so I have to get scissors. Alright, barcode. Lightning Energy. Hitmonchan. That's a cool card. Linoon. Seeking. Baltoy. Ponyta. Sobble. Reverse Chultil. The rare is a Thievul. Alright, so that was the first 3 packs of the smaller one. Let me just show you the cards that I feel like were decent finds. Alright, so we had the reverse hollow Rhyhorn, which is just a cool card. We have that rare Ninetales, non-hollow. Then we have the Morpeko hollow that it came with, and this Hitmonchan. I like the Hitmonchan because I like vintage. Alright, so let's start digging into these packs. Still looking for that golden Zacian V card. And if I ever pronounce any of these wrong, I'm sorry. Four cards. Alright. Fire Energy, Crush Hammer, Kingler, Hyper Potion, Rhyhorn, Colobus, Goldeen, Roselia, Ghastly, Bidet, and then the rare is a non-hollow Stonjourner, if I pronounce that right. Psychic Energy, Rotom Bike, Big Charm, Seeking, Blipbug, Baltoy, Wooloo, Joltik, Saladin, Aurora Energy, and Team Yell Grunt. Full art card. Now that is cool. I'm gonna pull out a sleeve here. Put this one in there. Just because. We got finally our first full art card. Keep on accidentally maybe showing you guys that first card of that pack. Alright. Steel Energy, Pokegear, Aurora Energy, Ferrothorn, Vulpix, Luna, Roselia, Chewtle, Blipbug, a Reverse Hollow Minccino. If I pronounced that right, I don't know. And then a Hollow Inteleon. Now that is cool. I might actually put that one in the sleeve too. Water Energy, Hitmonchan, or Hitmonlee, I'm sorry, to go along with the Hitmonchan. Baltoy, Ponyta, Sobble, ooh, and a reverse hollow Oranganru. That is pretty cool. And Claydol. We're in a space up here. Dark energy. Ooh, right on. Big charm. The wacky. Ooh, Shedler. Krogunk. Reverse Krabby. That's a pretty cool looking card. And a Rillaboom non-hollow. That would have been a lot neater if it was hollow. But still a cool card. Almost didn't do the card trick. I gotta flip them over again. Alright. Grass Energy. Stunkfisk. Hyper Potion. Team Yell Grunt. Grassaflower. Yomper. Krabby. Mantine Reverse Hollow. Dreadnought is the rare, non-hollow. Getting down to the last 2 packs. Still haven't found that card we're looking for. Lightning Energy. Air Balloon, Palpad, Kingler, Hoot Hoot, Score Bunny, Pikachu I Choose You, Sinistea, and a reverse hollow Rotom Bike. And then the rare is a Lapras Full Art Hollow V Max. Now that is awesome, and that makes up for every bad card that we've pulled so far. Now that is awesome. I'm gonna be putting that into a sleeve instantly. That makes up for everything. That is a cool card. Another difficult one. All right. Fighting Energy, Thwacky, Lucky Egg, and this is the last pack, so maybe we can get some last pack luck. Double, Globus, Ghastly, Rookidee, Sizzle, man, I'm not gonna pronounce that one. Snob, Reverse Hollow Goldie, sorry, and then for the rare, a Full Art Sable V, Sableye, I believe. Now that is a cool card too. Not as cool as the Lapras, but still, cool card that deserves a sleeve. Alright, Pokemon nerds, so I just wanted to go over what I feel are the good pulls today. So, first we had that Rillaboom, non-holo, but still a nice card. And then we had the reverse holo Rhyhorn. We had that Ninetales non-holo, still a fantastic and beautiful artwork card. And we had the reverse holo Oranguru card. And then we had the holo Inteleon card. And then we had that one that it came with, that holo Morpeko, that small package. And then we had the full art Sableye V. Sorry if I pronounce it right, or pronounce it wrong, I'm sorry. I don't know how to pronounce all the newer generation Pokemon cards quite yet. And then we had that full art Team Yell Grunt. I actually love this card. It's a super cool card. And then we had, of course, the full art Lapras V Max card. This card is amazing. It's beautiful. Love it. Alright, Pokemon nerds, so remember, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you like it, what you saw, and then stay tuned for more. Like I said, I got vintage packs coming. I'm going to open them with you. They're factory sealed. It's going to be a lot of fun. Thank you.